Alright, so we are making it out today. The weather is perfect for the mood that I'm in, which is just overwhelmed nonetheless. This is not a video that I've, of course, ever really want to make. With a heavy heart, I have to say that my friend Mike, who you guys have seen on this channel a few times before, he has unfortunately passed away due to health issues this week. And I don't know, it came out of nowhere. We just went to a motorcycle show a few weeks ago and he was perfectly fine, happy, and it just sucks. Like, I haven't really wanted to get out on the bike at all. I just wanted to spend time with the family and just, I don't know, enjoy every moment with them. And it's just tough for me to like want to go out and do stuff, even though like I love being on my motorcycle, I love being on my bicycle, like I love doing stuff, but like having our son and of course my wife, but like it's just so hard to get away and like not necessarily like having the time to get away, but just, I don't know, like I love them so much and it's just hard to want to go and do stuff that's not with them. And I do definitely struggle with that, and throughout the winter I have a lot less good weather chances to get out. Like right now I wasn't going to go out and ride today, but I tried to film this yesterday and just it didn't go well. Making out today, was getting ready to go out and it started raining, so then I went and put everything back, walked outside, and it stopped raining. Checked the weather, it said, oh, it's gonna rain again in a half an hour, so I just grabbed my helmet. This just sucks. Like, I haven't known Mike for that great amount of time, but he has become a good friend, and I don't know, we had so much planned to do this summer, like different motorcycle shows, different like bucket list rides that we've wanted to do. So I am going to still aim to do those rides this summer and just enjoy them in remembrance of him, as well as this spring, once it actually gets warmer, I want to do a memorial ride for him, kind of have like the meetup ride that I do more or less be a remembrance ride for him. So that's the goal. As soon as I have any idea of that going on, I will let you guys know, of course, and it would be amazing if you guys could meet up and do that ride with me. We'll be starting it in downtown Annapolis and essentially do the first loop that Mike and I ever did when we met. I don't know, there's so many feelings going on, like not wanting to let you guys down, and like I owe you guys a video of like the rear sprocket install. I owe you guys a video of the rear sprocket install, which I'm gonna get that edited for you guys. This one will probably be out first, and then I'll upload that one a week late on Tuesday or Wednesday and see how that turns out. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, but before it starts raining too much more, I'm gonna go try to do some of his birthday ride and just, I don't know, enjoy the little bit of time that I get out today before it rains. So this is where Mike and I rode to for his birthday last year. This is one of the spots that I have probably my favorite picture of Mike. And it's just, I don't know, it's so crazy. Like, the first ride that we did this year is the last ride I'm ever going to get to do with him. Like, life is so crazy and unexpected and unknowing. I'm so appreciative that I got to know him. Building a channel and building a community is such a great privilege. I'm so happy I got to meet Mike through it, as well as all of you guys watching this video, and I really hope you guys can join me for his memorial ride. It's starting to rain. It rained here when we were here for his birthday ride. I don't know what this video is going to turn into, but thank you guys for joining me who have made it this far. If you guys want to keep updated on everything, please hit the subscribe button. Gonna jump back on the bike and make it home before it rains too much more.